Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. After a long day at work, we all like those quick and easy recipes. I have hundreds of them on the website. They just keep coming. And here's another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Mediterranean lemon olive chicken. Without compromising on flavor, this tasty recipe is perfect on weeknights or when we want a delicious meal in next to no time. So let's get cooking. Here are 4 large chicken breasts, and we'll season them with za'atar, which you can make your own blend by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by smoked paprika, then ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Let's move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll add the chicken breasts, seasoned side down. We'll season the top with the same seasonings: za'atar, smoked paprika, sea salt, and pepper. We'll cook the meat until just golden brown before flipping and cooking the other side. That should take about 6 or 7 minutes altogether, depending on the thickness. So when they're done, we'll transfer them to a plate and set aside for now. Don't overcook the breasts as they go back in the pan later and cook further. Alright? In the same skillet, we'll add sliced onions and season with sea salt. We'll saute them for 2 minutes or until they start to soften. They will absorb a lot of fat, but we might need to add a drizzle of oil if needed before adding or pressed garlic so it doesn't burn. Like we always do, we'll quickly saute it for only 30 seconds. Next, we'll add chicken broth as well as freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll stir and bring the mixture to a simmer. We'll now return the chicken breasts, including any accumulated juices. Come on, this is flavor we won't leave behind. Tilting the pan, we'll spoon the liquid over the breasts to prevent them from drying out. Cover and reduce the heat to medium-low. We'll let it simmer gently for 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll check the internal temperature of the breasts. We're looking for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And if they're not quite there yet, we'll put the lid on and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. After they're done, we'll transfer them back to the plate so we have space to thicken the sauce. First, we'll increase the heat, and when it starts simmering vigorously, we'll add the cornstarch mixture and stir until it thickens. About 45 seconds. That's all. We'll add some queen olives along with black olives. We'll stir well before returning the chicken breasts, flipping them to coat with the sauce, and if there's juices, we'll add it as well. And my friends, this is our Mediterranean lemon olive chicken. Simple, quick and tasty. This is a lovely chicken recipe. With its bold Mediterranean flavors and served with couscous or rice, this delightful dish is so satisfying. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!